Elon Musk's XA just made Grok-2 twice as fast by rewriting its code in 3 days, boosting it up the chatbot arena leaderboard. Stick around to see how they pulled it off. Elon Musk's XA just hit the gas on its Grok-2 chatbot, rewriting its code in 3 days like it was cramming for finals. Now Grok-2 and its less muscular sibling, Grok-2 Mini, have doubled their speed thanks to 2 developers who apparently don't sleep. Forget energy drinks, these guys used SG-Lang, an open source system that makes other language model tools look like a rotary phone in the age of smartphones. Igor Babushikin from XA proudly announced Grok-2 Mini is now 2x faster than it was yesterday, proving that in the AI world, you really can turn procrastination into performance if you have the right code. SG-Lang isn't just your run-of-the-mill software, it's the love child of Stanford, Berkeley, and a few other brain hubs, allowing Grok-2 to be faster, smarter, and possibly more reliable than your GPS on a road trip. Grok-2's performance upgrades didn't go unnoticed. It's now sitting pretty in second place on the chatbot arena leaderboard, just behind OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0. Grok-2 Mini isn't slacking either, comfortably ranking 5th. It's like Grok-2 just lapped the competition and took the silver medal, and its mini version is cruising not far behind. The bots are especially good with numbers, holding the top spot in mathematical tasks. It's like they're the AI equivalent of that mathlete kid who also somehow excels in gym class. Babushkin hinted at even more speed boosts, so maybe we'll soon see Grok-2 reviewing tweets before they're even posted. For now, Grok-2 is zooming ahead, setting a new pace in the race of AI, leaving competitors in the dust and developers wondering why their bots can't keep up. Next up, Google's new Prompt Gallery and AI Studio is packed with free tools for developers, aiming to make AI accessible to all. Let's dive into how this could change the game. Google has rolled out its new Prompt Gallery and AI Studio, a move that feels like handing out fireworks at a bonfire. Logan Kilpatrick announced the update on X, setting the AI world abuzz with excitement and a dash of anxiety for competitors. The gallery is a smorgasbord of pre-built prompts, showcasing Google's Gemini models like never before. From a JSON-based recipe generator for the next MasterChef hopeful to a math tutor for those still traumatized by quadratic equations, it's got everything but the kitchen sink. Want to plan a scavenger hunt or identify objects in an image? Done and done. Of course, the internet had thoughts. One user declared, AI Studio will become more usable than Gemini soon. Meanwhile, Google seems to be aiming squarely at capturing the developer community by offering this toolkit for the irresistible price of free. Because why charge when you can just sweep the floor with your rivals instead? By leveling the playing field with free advanced tools, Google is opening the AI playground to everyone, from seasoned coders to curious newbies. The message is clear, AI isn't just for ivory tower elites anymore. It's for anyone with a Wi-Fi connection and a dream. So, as Google revs up its engine with this new gallery, competitors better hope they packed enough snacks for the ride, because this AI race just got a lot more interesting. For the next news, Apple is creating a $1,000 tabletop robot with an iPad-like display set to launch in 2026. Will it revolutionize home tech or just be a pricey gadget? Apple is back at it again, this time with a device that sounds like it was dreamt up during a late-night sci-fi movie marathon. The tech giant is developing a $1,000 tabletop robot, cleverly codenamed J595, set to launch in 2026 or 2027. Imagine an iPad with a robotic arm, or better yet, imagine Siri with moves, spinning and tilting like it's auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. Led by Kevin Lynch, the same exec who guided the Apple Watch to glory and the self-driving car to the junkyard, this robot aims to revolutionize your home. Picture it as your new best friend, home security guard, and video call companion, all in one. And if you think Siri is annoying now, wait until she's perched on a robot that can follow you around the house. Apple's dream is for this robot to obey commands like "look at me" during a video call, effectively adding a splash of drama to your day. And with advanced AI from Apple's mysterious Apple Intelligence, the device might just help you feel a little less alone, or more spied on. But will anyone actually pay $1,000 for this tech curiosity? Tim Cook thinks so. He's betting that people are ready to swap out their smart speakers and tablets for something that can actually look them in the eye. Will Apple's new robot find a place in our hearts, or will it end up in the pile with other misunderstood gadgets? One thing's for sure, if it doesn't work out, it'll at least make for an interesting paperweight. Meet Alex, the humanoid robot built to handle everything from lifting weights to doing dishes. This legless wonder might just make household chores a thing of the past. Meet Alex, the humanoid robot that's here to make you question why you ever learned to clean. This legless wonder, with joints faster than a caffeinated gymnast, promises to do everything from lifting dumbbells to doing your dishes, all without needing a single coffee break. Boardwalk Robotics, the proud parent of Alex, believes legs are overrated. And who are we to argue? Why bother with cumbersome legs when you can mount your bot on a stable base and let it conquer every household task like it's training for an Olympics of tidying up? With a wrist that rotates a whopping 300 degrees, Alex can reach those tricky spots you've been avoiding for months. Equipped with AI and a remarkable ability to manage 22 pounds of payload, Alex is set to revolutionize productivity across multiple sectors, from logistics to aircraft maintenance. Need a package sorted or an odd-shaped cargo handled? Alex does it all without complaining or requiring a motivational pep talk. While other robots are trying to perfect the art of walking, Alex is already on its way to making human workers obsolete, or at least very envious. Boardwalk's strategy is simple: focus on the arms and let the wheels do the walking, making Alex both safer and faster. Finally, the Iron Cub 3 is the world's first jet-powered humanoid for disaster relief, flying over obstacles to deliver aid. Don't miss how this could revolutionize rescue missions. Meet Iron Cub 3, the latest creation from the Italian Institute of Technology that sounds like a superhero sidekick and flies like one too. Equipped with 4 jet engines, this 154-pound humanoid robot can generate over 1,000 newtons of thrust. Its exhaust temperature exceeds 600 degrees Celsius, hot enough to fry an egg, or apparently a robot. The concept is that Iron Cub 3 could fly over blocked roads and debris to deliver supplies and aid in disaster zones. However, designing a jet-powered humanoid is about as easy as training a cat to swim. The team at IIT had to deal with issues like the robot catching fire or nearly exploding, making it seem more like a pyrotechnic stunt gone wrong than a rescue mission. To stop Iron Cub 3 from becoming a jet-fueled bonfire, the team upgraded its hardware with a titanium spine and heat-resistant covers. Built on the iCub platform, Iron Cub 3 integrates sensors, cameras, and new force-torque technologies to keep its limbs from flailing while in the air, a crucial feature when you don't want your flying robot to crash land like a clumsy bird. The next hurdle? Figuring out how to transition smoothly between walking and flying without wiping out. The engineers have developed a complex system of flight algorithms using a momentum-based trajectory planner to ensure Iron Cub 3 stays on course without turning into a high-speed projectile. Thanks for watching my channel.
If you want to find out the best humanoid robots at the World Robot Conference in Beijing, click on the video above.
See you soon.